Hi, I'm David Leong, Public Relations Manager with Kingston Technology. We're here in New York City at Pepcom showing off some of the new things from Kingston. Let's start off with our brand new KC600 SSD. This is our next generation SATA SSD. So you know, SATA's a legacy format. It's been around for a while. Want to let you know we are still very, very committed to the SATA format. The SATA 2.5-inch form factor is here. It's going to be here for several more years. What's cool about KC600 is we're going back to full capacities. So Kingston has been doing 240, 480, 960 gigabyte. We're now doing 256, 512, 1 terabyte, and we're going to come out with a 2 terabyte, 2.5-inch KC600 drive starting in October. If you're looking for faster than SATA, PCIe NVMe is what you want. You bought that laptop or that desktop in the last few years. Most likely, your computer is all ready for PCIe NVMe. Why wouldn't you want to go faster with NVMe when it's about the same price as SATA these days? So we have 2 drives here. One's called the A2000, the other is called the KC2000. Very simply put, if you have a laptop, you want A2000. The reason why you want that is because it's a single-sided SSD. That means the controller, the chips, everything like that is on one side. Remember, in a laptop, you physically don't have all that space. You've got all the other components, laptop, much smaller. That goes up to 960 gigs, so you get just about a terabyte, but all that speed that you get, 3 to 4 times faster than SATA with an A2000. If you have a desktop or a workstation, KC2000 is probably more to your liking because you're doing more work-intensive tasks. And KC2000 is even faster than A2000. Dual-sided SSD, perfect for desktop or workstation. That's what you want. That's kind of that difference there. So just remember, you want a laptop, remember A2000. Less heat, little less power, 3 to 4 times as fast as SATA. KC2000, your computer's plugged in, go crazy, it's fast. The next thing we want to talk about are brand new Canvas Select Plus cards. So at Kingston, we have different speeds, different flavors for what you need. You know, are you using cards for an SLR? Are you using it for a drone? If it's SD versus micro SD, maybe the micro SD, you're using it for a cell phone, for instance. So what we're doing is we're going to refresh our line of cards. This is our first one. This is called Canvas Select Plus. When this card comes out in October, it'll be 100 megabytes read and 80 megabytes per second write. This is perfect for SLR. It's perfect for drone photography. This is the kind of card you want. It's both SD and micro SD. Now, in addition to that, we're going to be launching 2 more cards that are even going to go faster than this. So if you think 100 on the read side and 80 on the write side is fast, wait till you see Canvas Go Plus and Canvas React Plus. Canvas React Plus will be UHS 2, so we are future-proofing ourselves. We don't have the exact specs on that yet, but those cards are coming out around CES time. You're going to love the price, you're going to love the performance in our new Canvas Plus line starting in October. If you want to buy any of these things here, whether it's our SSDs or our cards, maybe you're looking for a USB or even a USB for iPhone, just go to kingston.com for all your storage needs.